Okay guys, I'm so excited about this mystery box. It has a little of everything. Look, there's so much in this and it's all different. We have iron-on, 2 rolls of iron-on. These are 12 by 24 rolls. You get raspberry and red. You get glitter gel pens, the bright sets. I'm gonna be doing a video to show you how you can use these pens to emboss, to heat emboss with your Cricut. You're also getting this fabric, Love Story and Sweet Prairie. These are awesome. I did a video last week showing you how to use fabric in paper crafting. You don't have to sew and you can still use fabric. We also have 2 deluxe paper packs. Yes, Princesses and Tangled. So I'm going to show you what these papers look like because they're double-sided. Let's look. Okay, there's 2 of each sheet and there's 6 different patterns. Here's the first one. Look, if you know any little girl that loves Tangled, she's gonna love this paper. And the other side is just a beautiful yellow. And look how cute this is. This would be beautiful on a scrapbook page or a card or make a box with it. Anything. These are so fun. And the other side is a beautiful green. And here's another paper with her and she's holding her hair and it says fill your own pages in there in the little by her book. Isn't that cute? And a nice dark, it's like a dark purple. And then this beautiful paper with the flowers. I love this. And the back is this beautiful green that matches the front. Okay, now this paper. This paper is amazing. For one, I just love the sun and the flowers and the colors. Pretty, right? But look, fill your own pages. Listen to your dreams. Something is calling me. Take on the world. Release the power within. It says all those awesome sayings. Oh my gosh, and that's a squirrel. Look. Oh, there's a bird too. A bird, squirrel, so fun. And then you get the princess pack. Now the Disney princess pack only has 4 different patterns, but you get 3 of each. So here's the different patterns. So let's look at these more closely. Cinderella. And look at the back. It has her shoe and a clock and the carriage and the crown. And here's Snow White. Has the apple and birds and deer and the castle and the tiara. And then the back has apples. You can make a project for a teacher with just the apples showing. And here's Tiana. Look, she has a frog and a whisk and a tiara. Look at how fun that is. And then the back has this awesome pattern. So if you don't want to use the Disney princesses, you can use the back. I love that pattern. And then here's the Little Mermaid, Ariel. Look at how cute. Has the castle and shells and the fish. So pretty. And then the back has shells. Nice pattern. All right, guys, that's the Leprechaun mystery box. This may sell out fast. If you click the link in the description, I do get a small commission. Cricut sent me this box so I can show you what's in it before you purchase. And you can use my code ML10 to save 10% and get free shipping if you add something to your cart. So you have to have a subtotal of $50 in your cart to use my code. Maybe you want to add some of the new holographic craft board. It's amazing. I love it. I also just showed you that video on the Cricut printable sticker paper. What you can do with that. All right, comment below. Tell me what else you're adding to your cart to make this purchase to get your code to work. And don't forget to join my group, Cricut Design Space with Melody Lane on Facebook. See you in the next video. Bye.